This is a Lenovo laptop, unable to powered on, and we connect DC power supply. See, this is a short dead laptop. Short dead laptop. See, when we power on the laptop, voltage suddenly down and ampere suddenly high, and red light is indicated there. See, this is indicate that there is 19-volt shorting in this laptop. Adapter 19-volt shorting. We have to remove this shorting. Let's open the laptop and repair the laptop. Thank you. This is a Lenovo laptop motherboard. See, there is one capacitor is shorted to the ground. See, this capacitor is shorted to the ground and condition of capacitor, and there is a first MOSFET. This is the first and second MOSFET. First and second MOSFET. First MOSFET also short. This first MOSFET also short, drain to source. We have to replace this MOSFET also. This MOSFET and this capacitor. We have to replace this both component, and let's see what happened. After replacing component, we assemble the board in cabinet. See, we connect our DC power supply. Now we on DC power supply. Before it's short dead, now it's 0.024 milliamp, and now we on the system. System is powered on, and display. Yes, display also coming. This Lenovo laptop, short dead Lenovo laptop case study is now complete. Thank you.